Hey everyone, it's Faye again. It's been a while since I last sat down here and talked to you here in YouTube. And honestly, it feels so good to be back finally. For those who've been with me here in YouTube, watching every videos of my behind the scenes in my coffee businesses, and for those who've been here during the early days of Coffee Postal, thank you so much for being part of this journey. For the past few months, I have been working in and working on Coffee Postal. And I think it's really true, no, that when you are in the arena, when you're in the ground, you actually forget to shoot the behind the scene. You actually forget to create content. And I'm still really trying to practice document instead of creating content. And here's my attempt. Today, I'm gonna be sharing to you some updates, realizations, and what's next for Coffee Postal. So if you're interested with all the behind the scenes usual topic that I do, then keep on watching. So where do I even begin? Now first, we've finally opened our Coffee Postal's flagship store. It's like more than a year in the making. I'm gonna be sharing to you another video, no? Detailed video on how we conceptualize and paano kami napunta doon sa location. There are a lot of stories behind it, a lot of lessons, business lessons, and also personal lessons. I'll be sharing that in the next video. Just a bit of a background for our Coffee Postal flagship store. It's our physical store with a little dine-in setup. So it's still a small coffee business model, which is aligned, no, to the concept of Coffee Postal. But it's quite different from our usual na Coffee Postal na mga cart, no, and then mga kiosks. So this time, there is already a little dine-in setup. So more to the Coffee Postal flagship store in my next video. Abangan nyo yun. So alam nyo na, click subscribe and hit the bell to be notified for the upcoming video. Yun pa ba yun? I miss saying that line. And another update for Coffee Postal is that we also added another business model. So if you've been following me in Facebook and in Instagram, by the way, here are my channels, no? I've been sharing about Coffee Postal Express. So it's a mobile version, as in literally mobile kasi it's operated using motor or e-bike. Now, this is our answer, no, to the challenges na a lot actually come to me and ask me, Faye, I actually like Coffee Postal. Faye, I've tried the drink of Coffee Postal and I'd like to franchise. However, I have this problem. One, they can't find a good location. Another is, kung meron man, no, I don't approve it kasi not a good location. Another is, if meron man, when we break down the expenses that they need, no, to shell out for construction, renovation, um, lease, ano yun, mga deposits and advance, no, for rental and for lease, they get overwhelmed. And it's actually really expensive to have a physical store with a fixed location. So this business model, no, is built for today's passionate entrepreneurs who would still want to make their coffee business dreams into reality with starting small. So with low overhead, sustainable, mobile, and simply smart. So this is a Coffee Postal Express. I'm gonna be posting here some pictures, no, and videos. And we have already actually started rolling out in different parts of the country. Currently, we are, as I'm speaking, October 2025, no? We have already around 8 rolling stores and we have more coming in the coming weeks. So, yun yung naging busy tayo at hindi tayo nakapag video, but I have a lot of lessons, no, really on launching the type of business model. So from the logistics to the systems, etc., etc. I'm gonna be sharing to you another video about it as well. So far, two major updates. We have already opened our Coffee Postal flagship store. If you're in Cebu, I hope you could visit. It's located at Santiago Street, just really beside University of San Carlos main gym gate. Talagang katabi lang siya, guys. And we'll be also gonna be launching our Grab soon. The team is all working on that already. And we have also launched another business model, which is the mobile version using e-bike and using motor. And I'll be sharing to you our goal. A lot would say, I actually get to hear or see or read this in Facebook na. keep things private. If you want to manifest, no, you try to don't say it until it's done. But for me, most especially if this mission wouldn't be possible if people will not know it. No? Kasi kung ikikip ko siya, paano malalaman ng mga taong naghahanap ng sustainable business, 'di ba? So I'm gonna be really declaring this one and sharing it to you kasi baka isa ka sa mga naghahanap and you might be able to find this video and we get to find each other, 'di ba? So the reason why I'm really stating this one is to be able to find the right partners for Coffee Postal. Because we have this goal, I'm sharing this goal to you kasi baka you wanna join me and Coffee Postal in this vision of creating 100 mobile stores nationwide. So, Coffee Postal in my previous videos, our goal really is to have a Coffee Postal in every zip code. Diba? That's why it's called Coffee Postal because the name of the store will be according to its postal code. And for 2025, we already have like 3 months left. And this is kind of a bold mission, but why not, right? So we are really looking forward to have 100 mobile stores nationwide, 100 coffee postal codes soon. And we're actually down to 23, looking for the 77 more that would join us in this mobile coffee revolution. And I'd like to share to you na it's just not about the number, but it's also about creating opportunities for 100 individuals and for 100 Filipinos. It's about empowering 100 dreams and that proving that with small beginnings that you can actually start small and sell big with the mobile coffee business model. Before, I used to think na growth is actually having bigger space or having more people. Before, I actually used to think na being big, no, or growth is about having more space, having more machines, and all the fancy setups. But I've learned that the real growth is actually with people. It's seeing someone na hala, nakagawa siya ng ganon. Pwede pala na I can also start as small as that and then sell big. So from a pop-up cart to a flagship store and now to a mobile coffee business model, this is Coffee Postal now, a vision of 100 mobile stores, and I can't wait to bring with you along in this chapter to share to you behind the scenes of building this franchise, to share the lessons and the stories of amazing people behind Coffee Postal with our franchisees. Because at the end of the day, it's just not about me or about Coffee Postal, but it's also about the shared goals of everyone and every franchisee in this brand. Thank you so much for watching this update video, and I am looking forward to talk to you in the next video about specifically yung kwento ng Coffee Postal Flagship Store. Bakit ba umabot siya ng almost 1 year in the making? See you there!